has made it around. It is Josh Porter in third place. The second of the Napa car's got a bit of damage there, though, Paul.
Yeah, looks like it, doesn't it? There's a bit of damage. Yeah, Selby, the right rear. Oh, and talking about right rears, Nathan Edwards nearly had his race ended again.
Oh!
He has!
Nathan Edwards, one of the top seeds for the championship, has had an absolute nightmare of a weekend. Oh, Harry Hickton, dismal weekend for Harry Hickton. Continues, he's on the grass, but he will keep going. Now running with Manpower Motorsport, new team to JCW Racing. You'll know the name from the Mini Coopers, and we'll see them next time at Brands Hatch. Now, here's the first one.
All right, so Nathan Edwards just drops a left rear in the gravel. He was trying his best to stay out the way of trouble. And there's Harry Hickton. Look at that massive slide. That's mine, that's yours. Oh. And there you go. You can have that across the grass. That is very lucky. If I was him, I'd be so hack up and gone. And another one off, and that's a sport car.
It is, and it's the MC car. Is that Will Crooks, is it?
I think it is, isn't it?
Yeah, with Henry Houth having a little bit of contact. We didn't see the build-up to that, did we, unfortunately?
Oh, that's not running
well. It was Ben
well.
Crossley, wasn't it, that went off the
Crossley, right rear. I think he'll get that going, but look, they're going to be on him in a second. If he gets that fired up, he'll be able to move.
Up to now, finished every race. I'm glad I didn't say it before he went off, because they talk about the dreaded curse. But that'll be his first retirement in a season and a bit of racing.
Another one off. That's Owen Hillman.
Owen Hillman, yeah, in the great pro, and Cam Richardson off as well. Well, okay, so it's all. It's all kicking off.
Is that the same? Is that the same event?
Senior was here at Donington Park in Focus Cup in the wet.
Wow.
That's Cam Richardson, isn't it, having a
that's
gyro?
Another, and got the job done. So really, really good. Oh, Chandler! Oh, mine, yours. I'm telling you now, he will be still shaking from that. But look at this! Oh!
Muscles his way through Marlowe Cordell with the Accelerate livery on the side. His new team, 5th position. Jacob Hodgkiss learning these cars real well, getting a really good look at some fast drivers in front of him.
What's gone on there?
No idea.
Is that Edmondson?
It's Pro Alloys, isn't it?
Oh, it's actually Owen Hillman. He's got a right rear gone as well. How weird is this?
I think Owen's got Lydia Gordon's old car from last year, I think. But yeah, more tyre.
Oh, and someone else must have a right rear gone as well. That's a sport car.
Yes, it is indeed.
Johnson.
And that is, Archie Johnson. That's a shame for Archie. We thought he might. He did a lovely nip through earlier on. So here's a quick replay of. Is this the Alloys car?
Oh, wow. It just goes. And that is massively fortunate. That is
on another day.
Oh, on another day. If you're sideways in that gravel, you're in for a big accident.
Wow.
That was great. That was great avoiding action, that was.
The racing gods have been smiling on the drivers.
Osborne's controlling it, but it looks a bit too close to control for me. This is a replay. That right rear, so that look at the smoke. That reminds me of growing up in Widnes.
What do they call it when they do 2 spins in the
890, 7,000?
Is it a double
J turn?
Like
look,
that?
Another one. That was him again. Yeah. So that right rear.
Henry Houth leading the JCW Sport category in the pink car. I did promise his dad that.
No.
Lewis Selby.
No.
Alex Solly, beg your pardon, in the 12.
Yeah. Why has he gone off there? Because the wheels are all pointing in the right way. That's quite a big impact. That'll be interesting to see. He looks okay. Does he get the thumbs up? Yeah, he gets the thumbs up. Let's see what goes on, because that's a lot of damage to a tyre wall. Are they going to safety car that?
I suspect they will. We've still got a bit of time left. So
here
is the 12 car. I was up.
What is going on with these right rear tyres?
So that was a reaction, wasn't it, to the car immediately in front?
That's got to be a safety car. So that's that's Chandler trying to go down the inside of Cordell. And does he? That's really interesting.
Multicoloured, airy, yellow wheels, 33 kind of good run yesterday, and that's Tom Overton, yesterday's winner, who gets crossed up big time there, locks up going down into the hairpin, and yesterday's winner is out of the race inside the top 6 and dicing hard. Here's the view of all that from Lewis Selby. Webster goes straight on, just a lock up. Don't know if something broke on the car. Watch number 2 on the left. It's a lock up on the inside from Charlie Hand, who goes down. Maybe the lightest of touches between the cars. Nothing for the stewards to worry about there, but Webster, after a sterling effort, firstly in the lead. Chris Mackenzie's car stricken. Let's have a look and see if we can catch what happened. So there's Chris Mackenzie taking a spin.
In the UK, that's got a championship with one good driver and the rest are rubbish. It's really hard work, and that's hard work. Oh, Charlie, be careful turning in.
Oh!
Edwards round the outside, well, down the inside. He did have his nose there, but
looks like a slightly recalcitrant start for Max Edmondson, who we wanted to keep an eye on, but it's Lewis Selby looking to go up into second position. Oh, there, off goes Alex Solly. That's Izzy Browning's fault, that.
Yeah, well, he was looking forward to it. It looked like he was looking forward to it a bit too much, but he's right of your screen. He just locks up, gets on the white line, doesn't touch the barrier there, but clouts it there, and also vibrates the cameraman stand. So, yeah, really, really difficult start to this race. But look, everyone on the outside just having no grip, and people just trying to get the traction out. Just that's normal stuff. They're getting into each other with the wrong tyre on. Coming in out of Knickerbrook, and that's just again side by side. And that's Albert Webster, isn't it, getting involved on that? And then watch this now as the car just pulls itself.
They do the straight bit, which is okay. We've got a challenge on for Nathan Edwards, having a quick look at Porter there, side by side behind them as well. Another safety car, but Webster off there.
And this is what happens, you see. So this was, look at Nathan Edwards, is it? Oh, no, it was Webster, wasn't it?
That was the Webster one,
Albert, right into the side. And that was a shame, that, because he was completely sideways,
Harry
to be
Tampy,
fair.
wasn't it? 3 races in the Donington League senior debut, and he has come through into that fifth position. Big one for Nathan!
Oh, wow, check your undies, lad.
Area went to have a chat with him. I'll come back to that thought in a minute. This is Owen, isn't it?
Oh, he's a lucky boy there. That could have gone so hard to the barrier on the right, but he just lost it one way, and he's just had a glance with the barrier by over a second. Even Charlie Hand can't keep up with him.
Wow.
I don't know how much this rain has stopped, but look at this now. Oh, you don't want to be rejoined. Oh, that's going to cause some damage.
Oh, Marlowe, okay. Not so good. Clatters into Max Edmondson.
Oh, so that's Edmondson down the inside, gets the job done, then back around the outside. Oh, it was a big hip and shoulder, but now he just can't get that stopped. You can see the steering was, that nearly went over.
Did.
Yeah, Marlowe was turning right to get back on the track, but just couldn't do anything about the speed at which he was travelling. But yeah, watch Cordell here. So there's quite a big hip and shoulder. That pushes him on the grass. When does he brake? Now, and he cannot stop. Bang. Yeah, that's a real shame, that. Third place.
They have gap Porter here. Bit of contact a little bit further back.
Should be okay. But we'll see if we can sort that out for you. So what has gone on here? Oh, they're all sideways. And that was
Ned.
That was Ned, wasn't it? Yeah. And Ned must have got collected, I would have thought.
Yeah. We'll be able to get Ned's thoughts on that. He's, yeah, solid damage. He's had an absolutely dreadful weekend.
Happy with that, because the thing is just getting away. And if you're in the top 3 and you get away, it's a bonus. It's when you drop all the way to the back and Nathan is gone.
Oh. And that's Lewis Selby, second and third. No, not second and third in the championship. Third place in the championship. As we go back now to there is Max Edmondson in the 33, getting stuck in. What's happened there?
So I'd like to think that the wheels got caught and that's what fired them. But
so he's out there, and then so mentally recovering from that. How much later did it happen?
The
Clash
wheels
there comes.
Yeah, the wheels have got. I can't. There's no way. Look, you can see the black on the left front wheel there. Yeah, the wheels have got attached. Yeah, the wheels have been attached.
Osborne gets the lead.
Wow, so brave, but it's not over yet. Nathan Edwards late on the brakes. Is it too late? No, brilliant. Jamie's got an overlap. This is where it's going to get. No, it's off.
Through the quick fit barrier, back on circuit, third, maybe fourth place. Hinton's through, Jamie Osborne fourth. It is not game over, Paul. That wasn't quite the start we wanted to see, but that's the battle that has been maybe brewing up over the course of the season. Going through is the Pro Alloys car going through. Jamie Osborne will be fired up. Oh no, it's going to be. Is it going to be an early safety car? Keep going, keep going, keep.
Most of the weekend So I've not seen anybody pulled up on that, but it is a good spot. And is that Max Edmondson?
It is.
Yeah, getting smashed off the track there. Be interested to see what they do about the... he's still pulling away. Clark Curve, the corner we've just come out of, is going to win in this race, or is it because it's a late lunge? Edwards has turned in!
No! He gets it going again, but he's lost. Look at that. He lights up the tyres trying to recover. I tell you what, Edwards will be absolutely distraught with himself for that. It was a typical not-kill move.
So this looked to me like it was on. No, it's not on. Oh, no, it's a clean mistake. A clear mistake by Nathan Edwards. He will be devastated for himself. He had nowhere to go. He had to try and slow it down and keep it right. He will. The first thing he will do, I'm hoping, is go and shake his hand.
Let's have a replay of Jerry's motor through the gravel.
Oh, he's kept his foot in, fair play.
Yeah.
And not collect too much grass, so that's good. He has got away with that, like really got away with it. Must have just locked up. Is going to be very soon battling for this lead hard, because that's a good battle as well.
It is a good one. This is 4th, 6th position. Jacob Hodgkiss.
Keep it going. Yeah. That was a squeeze to try and open the corner.
Right. It's going to be interesting, isn't it?
Oh, there's that left rear. Mine, yours, mine, yours.
Charlie Hand.
Charlie Hand, I tell you what, mate, I bet you've only just started to breathe as you got to the apex of the next.
On the points, it'll replay here as we go back to the sport category. Oh, Nicky Gauchi goes into the back of Ben Crossley.
Nicky, bit much that lad.
Tom just needs to really nurse the car home to the finish.
Oh, no. That will be a big crash.
That's Selby. That could be...
Oh.
If that's a retirement, is that going to be championship over? Because it's going to take the gap up from 70 points to...
This is it. It's getting tasty.
Here they come then. So these drivers then used to having come up through the Coopers, and Porter goes for the outside run here. Can he make that stick? He can't quite at the moment. No, he definitely doesn't. Bounces, Clark hits everything going, possibly apart from the steel barrier, but gets back on. He was having a go. It didn't work. Potentially. Let's have a look again. Yeah.
He just kept his foot in, and look at that. Looks like someone throwing an old mattress at one of my rental houses.
Could be in Croydon, couldn't you?
Look at that. That could have been so nasty if he'd have caught that.
To be fair, yeah. The outside of Aberdeen, he's got to do the same thing here for Charlie Hand, who leads, gets a little wobble on, loses a bit of momentum. Porter will have seen a little bit of that. We've got, I think, Alex Brandon, that is, off in the gravel at the back, but Porter trying the outside. Lewis was, do you know what, really magnanimous about it, I've got to say. That was Alex, wasn't it? Yeah, we called that one correctly. That's one of the development cars with the new bodywork for next year. You know, he's got his eyes rightly on a touring car drive in a couple of years' time. I think we'll see Edmondson and the Pro Alloys team.
I think there's been an accident here. Yeah. Okay, so
Harry Hickton.
Hickton's gone off.
Yeah, and rightly red flags from that. Harry Hickton, who was challenging for a podium yesterday, did get the podium in.
Oh, no.
Yeah. That's such a shame.
And you know what? Look how quick they're on the scene.
Yeah.
And he is devastated.
Yeah.
And you know, we've seen him rolling around there. That is between Hawthorns and Westfield, I reckon. So a fast... Wow. So this is coming out of Hawthorns, and that is towards Westfield. That is 120 miles an hour plus in 5th gear. Absolutely rapid. Look at how strong that car is. So this was the sport battle, wasn't it? So this was the sport battle going on.
Yeah.
You'll see it now. So these are the cars that were ahead. So a little bit of contact with O'Neill going and Max Edmondson. But watch this now. As the camera angle goes right, you'll see our camera person actually pulls back and then sees. Look at that. Look at the velocity, and just look at the strength. You'll see the roll cage as it lands. Look at that. That is fantastic strength in that cage. If that was a road car, you would be looking at something a lot worse than you're actually seeing now. And look at him. He's so angry. He jumps out. And this is what caught me and you out, Richard.
Absolutely.
Because all we seen was Harry Hickton on the floor. We didn't see this, so we're like, oh, he's fine, he's fine. We come here, and we've picked up this, and it's like, what's happened? Because horribly, I'm sorry to say it, that could have been a driver thrown out of a car. So everybody at home, you might have been thinking, oh my word, what's happened? So our directors were just telling us what had happened. And
you made the point in the raid, that was so quick, wasn't it? That rescue crew.
Absolutely brilliant. And it's, as a driver, you know, your natural reaction is fight or flight, so you've got out of the car as quick as you can.
There is Tom Ovenden, as we say, down in 9th place at the moment. A couple of drivers ahead of him that won't score points in this one as guest drivers or otherwise, but all he needs to do is finish.
We seen that yesterday, didn't we? Running wide and catching that wreck to sell
Alex
barrier.
Brandon, the car with the new bodywork on, Alex Brandon, and it looks absolutely great. Doesn't look so good when it hits the barrier, though.
Oh, wow, yeah, it looked like he did it on his own as well. Oh, he just got unlucky. Oh. He got unlucky with how he went off. It looked like he went off on his own. But look at that. I mean, he got out of the way, thank goodness. But that front right tyre looks